Looking for the perfect electric bicycle to supercharge your ride? Whether you're commuting, adventuring, or just cruising, we've got the top 5 e-bikes you need to check out. Let's dive into the top 5 best electric bicycles you can get your hands on today. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Terrosor electric bicycles. The Terrosor electric bicycle offers a cutting-edge cycling experience with a well-designed full suspension system, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even on rugged terrains. The full suspension not only enhances comfort but also improves safety, making it ideal for off-road cycling adventures. This feature ensures that bumps and vibrations are effectively absorbed, providing the rider with a balanced and controlled experience at all times. For added convenience, the bike is equipped with an easy-to-use multifunction LED display. This display provides real-time information such as speed, battery level, and mileage, allowing riders to monitor their performance and plan their trips efficiently. The intuitive interface of the display makes it simple to stay informed while focusing on the road ahead. In terms of visibility, the Terrosor electric bicycle excels with its high-brightness front headlight. This powerful light improves the rider's field of view during low-light conditions, which is essential for ensuring safety during early morning or evening rides. The brightness of the headlight enhances overall visibility, not only for the rider but also for others on the road. Whether you're cycling through city streets or exploring off-road paths, the Terrosor electric bicycle offers a reliable and enjoyable ride with all the essential features for safety, comfort, and performance. Coming in at number 4, we have the Aostirmotor S07-B electric bicycles. The Aostirmotor S07-B electric bicycle is designed for riders looking for an efficient and powerful e-bike experience. Equipped with a 750W brushless gear motor, the S07-B delivers a solid performance, ensuring a smooth and swift ride across various terrains. With a fully charged battery, it offers a riding range of 25-35 kilometers when used in pure power mode. One of the highlights of the S07-B is its impressive top speed, reaching up to 45 kilometers per hour when the battery is fully charged. This makes it a suitable option for those seeking a more dynamic and faster ride. Whether you're navigating through city streets or enjoying a more extended outdoor adventure, the bike provides reliable speed and power. The bike features an SWU LCD display, which allows users to customize key settings such as wheel diameter, speed, backlight, mileage units, riding mode, and paw gears. The display is equipped with LED technology, showing vital information such as battery power, speed, mileage, gear, and wattage, keeping riders informed of their ride's performance in real time. Charging the S07-B is hassle-free, with a compatible charger supporting input voltages from 110-220 V, making it versatile for use in different regions. This electric bicycle combines power, speed, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for those looking to embrace eco-friendly commuting or recreational biking with a tech-forward twist. At number 3, the Ejivi electric bicycles. The Ejivi electric bicycle is a standout model in the world of e-bikes, designed to combine performance, comfort, and versatility. Powered by a 700W motor, it delivers a smooth and reliable ride, making it an ideal choice for adults who seek both power and efficiency. This e-bike is perfect for those looking for a balance between traditional cycling and the ease of electric assistance. The 18Ah battery offers impressive range and longevity, allowing riders to travel up to 40 miles on a single charge. This makes the Ejivi electric bike an excellent option for daily commutes, off-road adventures, or weekend rides. With a top speed of 20 mph, it delivers a thrilling experience for those who enjoy a bit of speed while maintaining control and stability. What sets the Ejivi electric bike apart is its fat 20-inch tires, designed to tackle a variety of terrains with ease. Whether you're riding on rough mountain trails or navigating urban streets, the larger tires provide enhanced grip and shock absorption, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy paths. This off-road capability makes it an excellent choice for riders who enjoy exploring more rugged environments. The moped-style design is not only functional but stylish, offering a unique look that stands out from traditional bicycles. The combination of power, battery life, and rugged design positions the Ejivi electric bike as a top contender for those looking to invest in a durable and high-performance electric bike that is suitable for various terrains and riding conditions. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a beginner, this e-bike offers everything needed for an enjoyable and efficient ride. In the second spot, we have the Baolujie BLJ-2602 electric bicycles. The Baolujie BLJ-2602 electric bicycle combines advanced features with impressive performance for a thrilling riding experience. This e-bike is powered by a 20Ah48V lithium-ion battery, offering long-lasting energy and a cruising range of 40-65 miles, depending on conditions. Equipped with dual 1000W motors, the bike reaches speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, making it perfect for fast rides on a variety of terrains. Whether you're tackling uphill climbs with ease or enjoying a smooth ride, the powerful 2000W brushless dual motors handle it effortlessly. It also includes a fast charging feature, allowing the battery to be fully charged within 5 hours, enabling a range of 50 miles at speeds of 32 miles per hour. Designed for durability and comfort, the bike features a 6061 aluminum frame and Shimano 21 speed gears, allowing riders to adjust their pace according to the terrain. The dual hydraulic disc brake system enhances safety, providing precise and efficient stopping power, even in challenging conditions. An intelligent LCD display allows riders to easily monitor essential information such as speed, battery life, distance traveled, and pedal assist levels, enhancing the overall experience. The bike's full suspension system, with a lockable aluminum suspension fork and high-steel carbon front shock absorber, ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, whether navigating bumpy trails or rocky paths. The shock-absorbing system paired with reliable hydraulic disc brakes gives the rider added confidence when riding on rough or steep terrain. For added convenience, the Baolujie BLJ-2602 comes with 90% pre-installed assembly, requiring only minor adjustments like the handlebar and seat setup. Additionally, the battery's longevity can be preserved by following proper charging procedures. Overall, the Baolujie BLJ-2602 electric bicycle is a high-performance, feature-packed e-bike that delivers power, comfort, and safety, making it a great choice for those seeking an electric mountain bike adventure. And finally, at number 1, we have the Engwe X26 electric bicycles. The Engwe X26 electric bicycle is designed for adventure enthusiasts looking to explore a variety of terrains. This all-terrain e-bike features a powerful 1000W motor that provides ample power for tackling tough trails, hills, and long-distance rides. Paired with a 48V 29.2Ah lithium battery, the X26 delivers impressive range and performance, ensuring that riders can embark on extended journeys without worrying about running out of power. Equipped with 26x4.0 fat tires, the Engwe X26 is built to handle rough and uneven surfaces, such as sand, snow, and rocky paths. These oversized tires offer superior grip and stability, allowing riders to ride confidently on challenging terrains. Whether you're navigating through city streets or venturing off-road, the fat tires ensure a smooth and stable ride. One of the standout features of the Engwe X26 is its folding design. This makes the e-bike highly portable, ideal for storing in tight spaces or for taking on public transportation when necessary. The ability to fold the bike makes it a convenient option for riders with limited storage space or those looking for a versatile e-bike they can take anywhere. Overall, the Engwe X26 electric bicycle combines power, durability, and portability, making it an excellent choice for those who want an all-terrain e-bike that can handle diverse environments while offering long-lasting battery life and easy storage. Whether for daily commuting or off-road adventures, the X26 is built to meet a variety of riding needs.